Now we're going to be multiplying. We're going to start with a 3-digit by 3-digit number. What is the value of the expression? Whenever you see the word value, that just means solve. You just want to find the answer. So let's start by writing these numbers vertically, which means one on top of the other. 486 times 317. We're going to start by multiplying by all the digits on the top by the digit that's in the ones place on the bottom. So in this case, it's 7. We're going to multiply 7 times 6, which is 42. So the 2 is in the ones place, so we're going to put it down here in the ones place and carry the 4 in 42 up to the tens place. Now we're going to multiply 7 times 8, which is 56, but we're going to add in the 4 that we carried over. So 56 plus 4 is 60. So we need to put the 0 in the tens place and carry the 6 over to the hundreds place. Now let's multiply 7 times 4, which is 28, plus 6, which is 34. So 486 times 7 is 3,402. We're going to go ahead and I'm actually going to erase the 4 and the 6 because we've already added them in. We don't need them. You don't have to erase. You can just cross out if you want to. So before we move on to multiplying by this 1 in the tens place, we need to remember that the 1, since it's in the tens place, we need to put a 0 in the ones place. That way our answer starts in the tens place. You can also think about it, since the 1 is in the tens place, you're really multiplying 10 times 60, or sorry, times 6, which is 60. So we would put the 6 in the tens place, getting our answer of 60. But if you just remember to put a 0, that's fine too. So 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. So I know we did that quickly, but just remember you're multiplying the tens place by the ones place, tens place by the tens place, and tens place by the hundreds place. So 486 times 10, since the 1 is in the tens place, is 4,860, which makes sense. We're going to go ahead and multiply now by, let's see, we use green. We're going to multiply all the digits on the top by 3, which is in the hundreds place. So once again, starting by multiplying by the 6 in the ones place, we remember that since the 3 is in the hundreds place, we need to actually put 2 zeros here at the bottom so that our answer starts in the hundreds place, just like the 3 is in the hundreds place. So let's see, 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 1 all the way to the top. And what's hard is, I'm sorry, that's supposed to be a 1. What's hard is that it doesn't go above the hundreds. We just multiplied 3 times 6. The next ones that we're going to be multiplying is 3 times 8. So that's why the 1 needs to be above the 8. So 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. The 5 goes down here. We carry the 2 all the way to the top above the 4. Now we can multiply 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. All right, so now we need to add, starting in the ones place. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 8 is 20. Carry the 2 up to here where we're still adding. So we're not bringing it all the way to the top when we are multiplying. It just goes above the 3 here since we're adding. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus nothing is 1. So our answer is 15,400. My goodness, Miss Smith. That's not it. I put the comma in the wrong spot. Here we go. 154,062.